Welcome to this tutorial. This is Asadullah Chaudhary, and this tutorial is about how to install WordPress on your localhost server, and I'm going to use Xampp. So here are two types of WordPress websites. The first one is wordpress.org and the second one is wordpress.com. So what's the difference between both? The first one gives you the downloadable version, and the second one gives you the self-hosted version, so you do not need to download. So let's go to wordpress.org. So as you can see, this is a blue button that says download WordPress 4.11. This is the latest version. So you can click over here and the download will be started automatically. But I'm not going to download it since I already have downloaded it. It's the same version 4.1.1. I just extracted the files and there is a folder. This folder will be extracted. I'm going to copy this folder and I'm going to open my Xampp. Here you can see my Apache and my SQL modules both are running. So I'm going to click on Explorer. This will open up the Xampp directory. So I have to go into htdocs. Now I have to paste the WordPress folder over here. So let's create the database. And I'm going to click on my PHP MyAdmin. Okay, so now I'm going to create a new database for WordPress, and the database is going to be wp-db create. Here you can see the database has been created successfully, wp_db. So let's go back to our WordPress folder. Yeah, the files are successfully copied over here. So let me open up my browser. So let's start the installation of WordPress. I'm going to write localhost and then the folder name that contains the WordPress files, and that is WordPress. The language is going to be English UK. And we are good to go. And I'm gonna click let's go. Here I have to give the database name that I have just created, and the database name was wp_db. And the username is root. This is the default username for Xampp or WAMP localhost server, and I have not set any kind of password. So the database host is localhost. It's a prefix, so it's totally up to you if you set this prefix or if you want to set your own. Submit. Now let's run the install. I'm going to give it the sample title, and then the username I'm going to give it Asad, and the password I'm going to give it 123 since it's my local installation, so I don't need to worry about the security. Email is going to be anything @gmail.com. It's not going to send me the email right now, so I'm going to click install WordPress. And I'm gonna click login, and Asad was my username and the password was 123 and login. So here you can see I have successfully installed WordPress on my local machine, and I'm using the Xampp localhost server. So thank you very much for watching this video. Take care.